Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside of Hunter x Hunter Volume 5 on Blu-ray. Now I just want to apologize before we get started about not making a video recently. I've been having some really hard times in life, and yeah, so I'm sorry and I'll try doing better. But let's get into it. Here's the cover. And this is episode 76 through 99. So there's the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get this. And you open it up and you get the stupid manual thing, and then you get that. Disc 1, Disc 2, Disc 3, and Disc 4. And then you get that artwork. So this has been Hunter x Hunter Volume 5 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.